What's poppin' YouTube? This your boy 26King Wavy, and today I got another product review video for you. Now before we jump into this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell beside it so you can get a notification anytime we drop a video. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Gang!
We are the music makers.
I don't.
And we are the dreamers of dreams.
This product, man. Now, I think I finally did it. I think I found the product that was meant for me. And her name is Aunt Jackie. Yes, her name is Aunt Jackie.
Hey, Auntie.
Now, about this product. Aunt Jackie, where have you been, huh? This is great for dry hair. It's enriched with coconut oil, shea butter, and extra virgin olive oil. Your hair becomes soft and easy to comb and maintain, and it works like a charm. Who told you to make this product, huh? I'm gonna show you some clips throughout this video to show you what I'm talking about, because I did my son's hair. Now my son's hair is way different from mine. I don't know what type of hair he got. He got some Brillo pad type hard. I don't know, African, Haitian, Jamaican. I don't know what it is, but it's not my hair. My hair is pretty soft and like easy to manage and maintain. But my son here tends to curl up a lot in the morning time, and before he goes to school. Right now he's woofing, and if you don't know what woofing is after a certain period of time, your hair starts to grow and curl up and hard to maintain. And we are trying to continue to get his waves in there, deeply rooted, just like my hair, and that's what it's come to. And who told you? Oh, so clean, right? Moisturizing and softening, sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, deep moisturizer, detangling hair. Who you think you are making this, huh? This is it. I don't know. That can too. It ain't got nothing on Aunt Jackie. I don't know. Aunt Jackie. Love you. What I'm thinking. It's another product review.